Hey there. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to join me for this meditation. You're welcome to come into a comfortable seat, or you can lie down if that feels better for you. And feel free to bring your eyes to close. And in these first few moments, let yourself begin to feel your breath flowing in and out. As you breathe in, you can take that breath down a little deeper, feeling your belly expand. And as you breathe out, let your exhalation help you relax. So breathing out tension, breathing out stress, and softening into your body. And without strain, begin to slow your breath down. Stretch your breath out, letting it take up a little bit more space. And breath by breath, beginning to feel how you are becoming a little bit more present, a little bit more here in the moment with yourself. One of the ways that we can recharge is by unplugging momentarily from the external world and just coming home to ourselves fully. So take a moment to just acknowledge whatever you've been up to before this practice today and see if you're still holding it close to you. And for the next several minutes, can you set it aside so that you can be fully here with yourself? And whatever is coming for you next in your day, same thing. Can you let it go for now and just let yourself be fully here with yourself? The past and the future, where we've been and where we're headed, it will all be there for us when we come out of this practice. So let's take a breath in through the nose and just sigh out through an open mouth, really surrendering anything outside of yourself, anything outside of this moment. And feel yourself fully arrive. Your awareness, your attention is here with you. And to recharge ourselves, we're going to begin to receive the inhalation. This is a really simple practice, and it has a lot to do with just our perception. Often when we're breathing in, we are perceiving that breath just flowing into the body. We don't give it much thought, and then we simply breathe out. But right now, what I'd like you to do is to consciously receive your inhalation. So as you breathe in, can you feel how your body is taking in that breath? And you're fully receiving the energy and the oxygen from that breath. And as you breathe out, of course, you can breathe out stress, fatigue, exhaustion, tension, but also I'd like you to consider as you're breathing out that the oxygen you just breathed in is circulating on that exhalation. So as you're breathing out, you're noticing how the oxygen is now circulating through your body and being further absorbed by your cells. So we breathe in deeply through the nose, receiving the inhalation. And then as we breathe out, we imagine the breath that we just took in spreading out and being absorbed deeply into the cells of the body. Breathing in, your body is like a sponge receiving water. And breathing out, we let that sponge soak up all of the liquid, all of the nourishment from the breath. We're going to take 5 more slow breaths just like this on your own. Let yourself take one more nice, deep, nourishing breath, receiving energy, receiving oxygen. Breathing out, imagine that oxygen circulating through the body, being soaked up by the cells, fueling your inner tank with energy for the rest of your day. Good. Now notice how you feel. Do you feel calm? Do you feel centered? Do you feel energized? How do you feel? By learning how to truly receive the breath, we can open ourselves up to receiving all that we long for in our lives. So keep this pathway open. Notice throughout your day your breath as it flows in and out, and feel yourself receiving this gift of oxygen, of energy, of life. Thank you for being here. Have a beautiful rest of your day.